Okay, in this short tutorial I'm going to demonstrate the live tracking feature built into the Landtrax app. So this allows you to track where your teammates are on the land and get quick access to fly to where they are and see things like their speed and altitude and so forth. So right now it's tracking myself, and this is due to the bottom right button here for tracking current location. So if you are at any other place on the map and you need to get back to where you are, you just press that and it gets you right back to the center, and we'll keep tracking wherever you are. Now if I go to users in the top right here, I get a little list of all my current users or my teammates on the land. So right now I'm Dan B. So if I want to see where John is, I just simply click John. There it goes over to him. I need to close the panel so I can actually see him. And there he is. So it tells me he's currently going about 26 kilometers an hour, 0 meters altitude, and he was last updated on the app itself a few seconds ago. So I can easily now just follow him along. I can easily close that and go back to where I was. So there we go. That's a demonstration of live tracking.